Are you using Unleashed and still calculating sales commissions and spreadsheets? Then this video is for you. Unleash is great for inventory, purchasing, production, and sales orders, but it doesn't automate sales rep commissions. That's where Sales Cookie comes in. Sales Cookie is an AI-powered commission automation platform with a native Unleashed sync. It uses your Unleashed data to automatically calculate commission payouts and generate rep commission statements. No spreadsheets, no manual work. Let me show you how it works. Start a free trial at salescookie.com. No credit card needed. Go to Account, My Workspaces to create a workspace for your company. Next, go to Settings, Connections, search for Unleash, and activate the native sync. Next, go to Transactions, add transactions to sync your data. Good news, you can pull in data from multiple Unleashed modules, including sales invoices, sales orders, purchase orders, credit notes. I'm going to sync data from the start of the year. Pro tip, check this box so Sales Cookie can fetch new and updated data records every hour. In this example, I'm syncing purchase order line items. On the first sync, Sales Cookie walks you through a quick field mapping so only the right data comes in and the right team members get paid. Within minutes, your Unleashed purchase orders show up in Sales Cookie with familiar field names. After that, Sales Cookie keeps your Unleashed data in sync hourly. In the next video, I'll show you how to build automated commission plans using your Unleashed data. Want to explore this further? Book a one-on-one demo or start your free trial at salescookie.com today. No credit card needed. Thanks.